News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am R.S. Raghu and with me is Pragya Deora.
Today, we will be discussing about some vacancies in Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Dhanbad, Cantonment Board, Devrali, Sahitya Academy, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Rohtak, Army Marksmanship Unit, National Water Development Agency and Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance.
The first vacancies that we will discuss are in Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. But before that, here is an overview of the institute. CSIR Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, CIMFR, Dhanbad, a constituent laboratory under the aegis of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, New Delhi, aims to provide R&D inputs for the entire coal energy chain, encompassing exploration, mining and utilization. The laboratory also strives to develop mineral-based industries to reach the targeted production for country's energy security and growth with high standards of safety, economy and cleaner environment. In view of the national missions recently declared by the Government of India, CIMFR has realigned its vision, missions and policies and also redefined targets for short and long terms. This would promote rapid, sustainable national techno-economic growth with equal emphasis on self-sustenance. CSIR CIMFR is located in the town of Dhanbad, known as Coal Capital of India of Jharkhand, State of India. It is strategically situated in the Damodar Basin of eastern part of the country, which is endowed with rich coal deposits and hosts several large mineral-based industries.
And now the vacancies. Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Dhanbad, invites applications for 18 posts of scientist. Last date for receipt of application is 24th November 2020 by 5:30 p.m. For details, please refer to the website www.cimfr.nic.in. Any addendum, modification or notification in this advertisement shall be posted on the website only.
Online applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for 6 posts of staff nurse in Cantonment Board, Deolali Cantonment. Submission of online applications will commence from 19th October 2020. Last date of receipt of online applications is 10th of December 2020. Online applications complete in all respect will be accepted. Any application form received from any other source shall not be entertained and will be summarily rejected. Further details can be seen on the website of portal www.cantboardrecruit.org.
Sahitya Academy, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India and fully funded by it, invites applications for 2 posts of sales-cum-exhibition assistant through direct recruitment. Those working in central or state government or autonomous organizations or renowned educational institutions may apply through proper channel. The applications should reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For further details, please visit the Academy's website www.sahitya-akademi.gov.in.
Next, we have vacancies in Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, is a public sector enterprise under the administrative control of the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Company was registered as a public limited company under the Companies Act 1956 in September 1987 with the objectives of operating atomic power plants and implementing atomic power projects for generation of electricity in pursuance of the schemes and programs of the Government of India under the Atomic Energy Act 1962. NPCIL also has equity participation in Bhavini, another PSU of Department of Atomic Energy which implements fast breeder reactors programs in the country. NPCIL is responsible for design, construction, commissioning and operation of nuclear power reactors. Being a responsible corporate citizen, NPCIL accomplishes CSR activities and implements projects related to sustainable development. The company is compliant to corporate governance as per guidelines issued by Department of Public Enterprises. And now, the vacancies. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited invites applications for the following posts at Rawat Bhata, Rajasthan site to share the challenging spectrum of responsibilities. 176 posts of stipendiary trainee, science graduates, scientific assistant B and scientific assistant C. 1 post of assistant grade 1 HR, 4 posts of assistant grade 1 F&A, 5 posts of assistant grade 1 C and MM, 6 posts of steno grade 1, 1 post of sub-officer, 3 posts of leading fireman and 10 posts of driver cum pump operator cum fireman. The detailed advertisement shall be available on the NPCIL website www.npcilcareers.co.in. Any further information, corrigendum or addendum shall be uploaded on the above-mentioned website. Starting date of online submission of applications is 3rd of November 2020 from 1000 hours. Last date of online submission of applications is 24th of November 2020 up to 1600 hours.
Applications are invited on prescribed application form for direct recruitment for 1 post of principal in Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Rohtak. Please visit www.ihmrohtak.com for application form, eligibility criteria and other related information. The competent authority reserves the right to accept or reject any application and fill or not fill or to re-advertise the vacancy without assigning any reason.
Army Marksmanship Unit AMU invites application for 1 post of each of a qualified Indian coach for 10-meter air rifle and 50-meter 3-position physiotherapist and masseuse. Candidates should send their biodata or CV to Army Marksmanship Unit latest by 21st of November 2020. They can send the biodata or CV on email marksmanship@nic.in or by post. AMU reserves the right to cancel, restrict or enlarge recruitment if the need so arises, without assigning any further notice or reason. For any queries regarding this recruitment, please email to marksmanship@nic.in. Shortlisted candidates will be individually informed through email about the personal interview.
With reference to the vacancy circular published in Employment News dated 1st to 7th August 2020, the last date for receipt of applications for filling up 1 post of Director, Finance in the National Water Development Agency, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Government of India, on deputation basis including short-term contract, is extended up to 30th November 2020. Detailed vacancy circular is available on NWDA website www.nwda.gov.in. Those candidates who have applied earlier need not apply afresh.
Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance proposes to fill up 2 vacancies of Deputy Director, Budget and Accounts on deputation basis. It is requested that the applications in duplicate from the eligible and willing officers who can be relieved, if selected, may be forwarded in the prescribed proforma to the department within 60 days from the date of publication in the Employment News. Applications received incomplete otherwise than through proper channel or without the above-mentioned documents and after the due date will not be entertained. Further, the candidate who applies for the post will not be allowed to withdraw his candidature subsequently.
Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.